Hey, hello, my name is Firefighter Paul and welcome to another episode of Make and Bake. Now remember, I'm on call, so if my alerter goes off, I've got to skedaddle because I'm on call. So what are we going to make on Make and Bake today? We're going to make these chocolicious Firefighter chocolate balls. First off, we've got to wash our hands. So let's use plenty of soap and plenty of hot water. And remember to dry them thoroughly. So, what ingredients are we going to need for this make and bake? There you go. Perfect. Now remember, these have got a lot of calories in, so don't eat them all at once. And remember to keep them in the fridge. And if you're out and about on your daily exercise and you see a fire in the open, no matter how small, you know what you got to do? Get away from the fire, be safe, and call 999. Well, that's all we've got time for today. I'm going to eat one of these. See you later, and remember, be safe.